Today I'm doing pappardelle con scampi e asparagi. It's the pappardelle fresh pasta I make. Asparagus, shallot, white pepper, salt, parsley, little bit butter, and big prawns. Okay, this is the ingredient. Then we do the shallot, okay, garlic, a little bit butter, white pepper, a little bit salt, okay, then asparagus, saute it. While it's sauteing this all together, the pasta, fresh pasta, I put in the water. Very easy and fast. Pasta water is the best to put because it has salt. Okay. Okay, now tomato sauce I blend it. Okay, I cut this and I cook it, and it is beautiful. The color. It has shallot, garlic, and tomato dice blended. We're gonna put the pasta here. Okay, parsley. Okay, so we place it, that is for 1%. With oil, okay, if you want to, you can put one scampi on the top. This is ready. Okay, this is the pappardelle con scampi e asparagi. Buon appetito! Enjoy!